Hi, my name is Dippshikha and you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
Today we are going to be creating monochromatic look. Begin by hydrating your skin with a moisturizer. Now apply a primer. Dot in the foundation as shown and spread it evenly using a beauty blender. Contour your cheekbones and forehead like this. And create a shadow for your jawline as well. Applying bronzer to your nose in this way can make it look smaller and more sharply. Apply concealer on these areas and make sure they blend into the foundation. Use translucent powder for baking and highlighting. Begin filling in the scarcer portions of your eyebrows. Using a spoolie, try and get every hair in place. Now, add concealer below your brows to hide any imperfection and make it pop. It is now time to blend in all the translucent powder we left to bake earlier. Concealers not only work as a great base for eyeshadows but also do the job for a primer. Blend it while using a beauty sponge. Start with a nude shade and apply as shown. Add a darker shade of brown in the outer corner of your eye and your crease. Now, mixing the two shades used earlier, blend it all in. Blend two darker and shimmery shades of brown and cover one portion of your lid with it. Now begin drawing a wing using the eyeliner. And now apply mascara. Give your eyes an extra umph factor by putting on fake lashes. Using the nude shade as before, add hue under your eyes like this. Give it some depth using a darker brown shade on your lower lash line. Line your upper lash line using kajal pencil. Go back to the palette and use the lighter shade to brighten up the inner corner of your eye. Apply a lipstick that matches with your eyeshadow. Go and flaunt now.